What special name is given to the stories that Jesus told? Parables. How many people were in today's story? 2. Where did the first man build his house? On the rock. What did he spend a long time digging? Foundations. How did the first man work? Slowly and carefully. Where did the second man build his house? On the sand. How did the second man work? Quickly. What happened when the water crashed against the house on the rock? It stood firm. What happened to the house on the sand? It collapsed and broke apart. Jesus told the people to be like the first man and build their lives on firm foundations. What else did he tell them to do? Put my words into action.